Ebusuya wasi ehun sensama kyeresa ba enkola do na fairly science any social studies no e na kyerese Ghana fo ni bi e ka se John Dramani Mahama wa hyeda kyerese eni tirim go popa kyerese wa hyeda se on person obetua any stress free one na o se obetua mo tertiary ye university first year for no sa stress free no fees no obetua mo no on person obetua enti e na wa hyeda mankola na fairly course subject no it is all share ya omo pass elective na mo course subject no mo fairly pa kyerese Ghana fo ni bia do me John Dramani Mahama say ade wa Yakobon betua ne catch ze busuya enya asem ketonya na meka Ghana fo na teto mo bu afu John Dramani Mahama esa so mo say eye agenda bia John Dramani Mahama no allegedly no on per se obetua eye stress free fees na also the Bama first year form 1 first year student omoko tertiary na university no on per se obetua ni tin e na say all two sa na man we ya allegedly no or making sure so man kula no afeli na wetimi anya kwan e man kula ketu abi yakọ se na bia the intake no e be ketu abi se na be ya obetimi ayesa ade na opese wo ye no ento mo tire mu say e deliberate attempt if the government of the NDC John Dramani Mahama na there ni mu a we ye nsema Ghana fo ede tudwa na me no ba we kwa akwakotie nkomo ne Ghana fo ni bi twetwe ende e wo TikTok live so ene nsem a ma me fo ni bi ka e kire se omo hwe omo baba otro BC eyi 8 papa ba ko se ne baba BC oyi 9 no ba ko tro wasi even time of class so open top 3 student no mo ya de wo science na de ba no e ka ho bi na ba be tro science obe fele de hu ni say John Dramani Mahama e na tese edi ne ba ne say wo na tese wa do me John Dramani Mahama enya asem ketuwa ye ko tie nsem wa Ghana fo e da to dwade af e ye exams results ya aba yi hu na iwe ba kire adwen won ha ye Ghana Nsem TV midin amaje so ne promise say onya like here like it now we nso a share na kire wadwen comment section na subscribe to channel no e de ma ye mbom ri omnye ko tie nsem wa Ghana fo e wo e de ma John Dramani Mahama His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana
yeah et say me say NDC fo nya me betuo mo ka papa nya me obetuo mo ka no aketio de be ma won for a whole teacher to see my daughter's results no be cast the big dice unacceptable there. A teacher and a catcher me say me to university forms if I'm meba just even of course school the results just obi a the results cramp na ye nwanwa and no cultural was here we fairly say poto omucho exams omucho akola nankasa eba bontia she so confident ade akola na catcher me say mama wan hwa me nya ade wo mu ye mass adia me ba netimi ka say mama we de me nya sure of it e maths because maths na kasa teacher ni ono kira maths krampo couldn't solve it teacher ono kira maths ni point me solve na nya student ono te ho NDC me si Ghana for ya weird boy no esayara Mahama na me busa se kama na Mahama woso no na ne romo results net sen resetting no or resetting ankasa all because say nanado na different SHS by nti ugu agu bibia na me obetua ne ka na Mahama one na sefo no me omo benya no omo behu di boni se hwankwala do ya twa omo pepesi mu hwankwala do ya twa omo pepesi mu ade ebi sida ebi ensida what kind of reset na more resetting history ben na mo set the amayesa no history ben e na mo set the amayesa me say MPP for this is that say ye bie yani na ye koto aba no January a ye ntum yie ye ko fatim bon koso bia so o me lead ye fo bia ye de ne kwa ya ton bi dada nti ye fo no anko ne nkoton enya bi ono ankasa de ne ntoma abo mo de ya no no wabeku yin aka ho Ghana oh my Ghana eye mu say my Ghana me fitindra me be aduane kana no fitindra me be aduane kana no yo fitindra aduane kana me be ya no no obutu ha say I can't feel like this
Ekuya, asama ye kan enye easy o.
I'm from Meraho, about Pecas and Meraho.
Me say, onu ma mi po.
Just I'm very much heartbroken because me pano me performance.
Felix,
So me back on trust and vote me 80 dia. Then to back on trust was no be Philip Potter say. That day. The ten see that because you say na do na di free SH buy enti no wo so good in the end wo gu kwala na neighbors na yenka say free SHs na enye saa ye nyina ye ti o man we mu ye nyina ye ti o man we mu ye ka wo mo endim ade ni ti osofo ani NDC fo ye ka wo mo endim ade wo man mu ani NDC fo omo no mo mpa bibia ye wo wiase omo na mpa bibia ye wo wiase ko shifo.
Mr. Wayne Twaswano just to cement something. Me madam for we teach any ya obebe by your platform ya so be. O ma be honorable. Or say scheme ya de ma almost so fa market this time no. Wo bo kura omo ye teachers o mo market na kura no mo se emu be ya dwerem enu nti ye wo be ka ya me se me kura me so that time no one day be anopa bi ni ye wa he ya em ye kan say enkwada nanka usually
and na BC4 de na aba no so afeli sa na ne ye
yes and I make say enkwada ebenya from 80 to 90 no almost better because you changing marking scheme no into subject be nanka first no anka nanado apenso anka ebia anka abenya B no this time ubenya D ye kire sa de we mu wa ha ye kira de we mu honorable enkrofo fa ye sebio and MPP for na ama ye scanner and ye tete and ye kan kwase asem. We have analyzed the thing and we are educating and advising our parents, and this is good for education in Ghana. Na young kind of platform is so it is deliberate nkokon kitinkiti wontumu nyoye onye nkokon kitinkiti no obedi abema university first year for bebre akwa etumi akwa university wontumi obi ono oni friend teacher ni kura wentua neka obi a oye ni friend a wakosua de akwa teacher ni Mahama se wontua neka university na obema we wako ni free ma me sorry usuna ma me chese mesume ra ho me say Erica su and now my child akwala su papa well say I thought I would have done well, but this one it is bad. We knew the questions were bad and the questions were this na nini na no
be so Mr. President yet woman him and kwala kura nsu nwu ye so kura ye hunu so ene ye sitim ka we akwahwe so wo chine jada ha wo sa man kwala we so sa bebo bi na gu Ghana so Maha, who ye bio? Maha,
your friend say, my Kosia rocks and warning a pa na menenanko because I am share die so no. Mom fast and near my so. Ye matifi soon. And now cultural media school dana kasa uti mukra na dance and also cultural media. The media see can
media near just 6,000. That's schools PPT media 6,000, 8,000.
She said also remedials no on my no say first no no ye chona ka o chona say if you me connection and register me to throw if you cracker if you say me wo so me to this time no they give most papers are being written at white height and assignmental almost see new building there that's what they put all of them there it even build the new crama we show that because there are cameras there everything it's only there me I don't maybe I may advise me students say if you fail exams, control of that, then constitution school not actually be. That would be the best way. Otherwise, you must have anyone. Because the cameras alone can scare you.
And it would be better say overcall private schools now. Now you must have register no one city.
Yes.
And so the board says those private schools which went to about 6,000, 7,000. Very expensive.
Obi Trobi be a comment or now about Betro, Ekosia Ronson, don't mind them. They said Nanado. We did not say Nanado was no best president. Please don't say that. We too have suffered a lot of the kind of hardship that we are going through.
Mr. Momo comment session. Please be guided this morning. Because the parents are very emotional.
I'm sorry.
Mame, Roxy, me person me ma break down kakra bi of and normal parents live from one. Akra ni better for 1 year. So back classes.
I am very
when I applaud the boy,
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Wow, men feel Obapa, men feel me mute no. Dear walk and quite obwa. Bisa almost and Colado do a saying, and at this time around Omunya in chains. Find out.
I don't know. I cut across.
Are we talking about average and as a crab when you this in
this in nonsense. You're there.
Talking about the majority. How things work.
Majority failed. Majority not failing social studies of all subjects.
Social studies, reading subjects, failing reading subjects. Reading subjects, social studies.
What be jina be trofun? What dey bra? Fan wo be na be parents dey be do atem.
Na say ntin wo jin koko bo nkitikiti di no.
Obe post no mo just obuku.
Me ka bibi o.
Honorable, please tell her or point that I'm sorry. If you are everybody, I'm sorry.
Egu ma pampa so. Ni so bia me ba ne beti bia e no me e de gu ma pampa so. Ni so bia me ba beti bia e
dey be my parents in the society no omo nwene hu.
The pain of losing this election is what makes us not even care again. We are sorry.
Yeah,
but this one we are not laughing again. I'm very sorry.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry for laughing at this.
I on say debia NDC better like when people are complaining, especially teachers for kwa. Also mean debia me catch or say we don't care. But and then oba kasa wo su na mi su bi because I'm just imagining having a child in the house one kasa wo akwala na nim say wonim say wo ba ni nim ade na wo ba natural exams na on one kasa kwa one general results say dey any ese wo no na timi choose exam we me akwala to get we ya dia
last part say head mistress na wo me ba school no ho no a friend is saying MPP regional women's organizer Madam Obuo, it is good for no one failing one kasa. One failing one kasa.
Wow.
Because how many women no issue? How many women no banter serious? How many women no train den because for NDC or people
NDC say politics area school money is very bad. I'm a school is slow.
You say education is harder than politics.
Education is harder than politics. Woman no more find this in Braho because woman am pene am elections no am omankoye campaign was
Mama Obapa say ne bani twa extra classes ana.
Where do we be about your
omojo extra classes no omojo.
Adena akuya nkofo bu a yendem wo
the current on say me pese ye better now enti me no obedi kwasase ma na mute
na NDC for na school mo obi enu oba out ka say kufu na
like motivation
Jimmy no my team me
sometimes who doing one with you
for 4 years
Jimmy no my
me call the table 2018 for 4 years of Akufaro's time you notice that the intervention is kind of a bar. You see smiles on teacher's face because why you juma maybe or salary be banana we so account because your child me 3,000 per me 3,800 me 2,800 na me you see a motivation and he be but it's good say a best support so
masa na mona na do ma na teacher for mo salary you saying
ya bra koto aba mato abetia ya poto afi kakra nso aye madia ya bra ho abrahun atia classes fee afi we aye bompa say wo ma be ni be pass no so amodi afa ase na me be tua moka ade no mo yesa ade
oh chale be wa boko
poni say ade
o fa chobi ade ene
Messi NDC die ye enkwala yikure sungu so kura na mamuamu hunu so no masa me enkwala sungu muti so na pampa so ene Ghana for mon shade
Current, there is something happening. There's something happening in Ghana. Oh, now, yeah, the agro. Okay, sir.
Ebusa say ensemo Ghana for ni bi e dia to dia say I would was sem papa what they say. Enim say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de free education ni ya de opese otwam. Ah, say o hwe ne nsem bi o keka ye 2016 abra ne ye election obeka say Ghana should not vote for Akufo-Addo because he's a desperate politician. Or say Ghana must not introduce free education on a whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many countries in Africa has tried this and failed. What should I say? Ghana and say introduce free education on a whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Sometimes or refer to Akufo-Addo as a desperate politician. Obi actually say, but the whole plain no giddy such as a person or by man putting as a free education idea or did that or more intimate. Now a baby you credit 20 years time. MNDC for be line. A year one you can say free education 419, free education 419. I mean just okay, sir I'm running now. Now and watching at 2020 or somebody can say over 2 billion Ghana cedis are only investing in education. Say that you be crabbe to make 2 hours my ya. Not just a name some kind in natural say free education idea on any engine one. Say that you be no Ghana man pinia or bet me a trim. It's gonna funny be to say a agenda or person nam so na odi twam enu tina me no ka say na ekura no PTA because the be free one be no e ye PA be no Parents Association no and the John Dramani Mahama say be PTA this is so be kan one and the client say PTA dues. What you say? So they are saying that it's a deliberate attempt from the NDC to cancel free SHS. That is what Ghanaians are saying, and they are saying that they don't understand the reason why some of them among teachers be more can say the results na buy you know they don't understand because omunim say akola we dey e ba science and say or ya dia class the whole class na say and say the whole school your person student no ma ben a onya na mo no be na to the ban science after na be science no be fail. So even some of the teachers are saying that they don't understand these results, meaning that there is something going on here in Ghana for we need to find out from this NDC government. Because how come say overall best science students in a school can fail science in the WASI? How is that possible? So Ghanaians are asking all these questions. What went wrong? What is happening? They are all seeking for answers. And I know you also have something to say. Anytime it's a comment section, you know, maybe you want to word the amount. Comment section. What do you also think about this 2025 WASI results? What do you also think? Let us know in the comment section. Send a bit to me a now you digest it in Yama, near finding a better solution to all this bruhaha, koso, Ghana has say. I'm for be saying on the one is a John Dramani Mahama, a stress-free policy or the buy 90, and actually say, I'm not taking a year this, a year action, send a bear. But do a bet me a qualified Yako University no, and so a betty. Would you say a cray, and that's a cray? Way, Ghana for in Sambia or allergy. I know you also have something to say, and don't know. Let me also know what you also think in the comment section. Here, Ghana and Sam TV meeting. I'm just so any promise. Yemu are into comment section. Na yembwa. Then teach Ghana. Emmanuel John Dramani Mahama. Kwashada. So people cancel fees near school. Ana a deliberate attempt. Send a be one beko a senior university this year no endorse. Send a be free stress no policy no